Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIYer, and today we are going to take the Samsung Odyssey monitor, which is a very big monitor I use for video editing. A lot of people use this for gaming, but we are going to do something special with it. We are going to put it on an arm. I hate having it on the desk. It's hard to move around. I want to be able to articulate this monitor and put it where I want. But we're going to go one step further. We are not going to just put this on an arm. We are going to go ahead and put this one on an arm as well, so I can put it up above. So I can be able to work up above and have all my video editing down below. So we are going to use the Aries wing, which is a very nicely made system, and we'll pull some of that out of the box in a minute. But let me go ahead and tell you, you're going to need a few things. If you have this monitor, the Odyssey, when you bought it, you should have gotten an adapter. Hopefully you saved that adapter so that you can go from the round little socket in the back to a Versa mount. A Versa mount looks like this. It has 4 little holes and it will mount flat. If you do not have that, you can pick up this product. It's a Wally Versa adapter. And what this will do, you open it up, you can pull it out. This will actually go inside of the round socket, and your Versa is right here, so that you can go ahead and mount this system onto the Versa adapters. So you'll need that. You're going to probably need a power drill or at least a screwdriver, and you're going to want a good drill. Now this is a 1/4 inch drill bit because there is a bolt that will go through my desk and a little clamp underneath so that there's no way this can fall. Now you can do this, and this desk is the right thickness where I don't necessarily have to do that. It has a bracket, it'll clamp down, but in all due honesty, I would prefer to be able to lock that down to make sure that it never falls forward, because this monitor is very expensive, so I want to protect it. So that being said, let's go ahead and look at what you get in the box real quick. You're going to get 2 of the Versa adapters, because obviously you're going to have 2 monitors. And by the way, you can do 2 of these large monitors as well, because this is rated to hold extremely heavy weight. So you will have 2 of these. You're going to have the arm system. You have 2 of the upper part of the arms, the control arms, and you are going to have 2 of the extenders here. These all go together, and they're all going to ride on the steel pole. So we are going to do this more or less in time lapse and kind of go through it and show you how I put it together. By the way, there is an instruction manual, which is awesome, and I'm not going to go into great detail. I will do that on time lapse, because on that instruction manual you have a little scanner code, and you scan that and it will walk you through the setup really quickly and really nicely. So you don't really need me showing you that. You just want to know how well it works. And this, by the way, is going to be, let's see, where is it at? I have this one. I have them actually backwards. So you have 2 of those mounts there, and then this is the one that will actually mount on the desktop that this bar is going to set down inside of. So what we're going to do, though, is I'm going to time lapse that real quick, put it together, get the monitors on, and then we'll do a final test, and we'll see how articulating they are, how well it holds it up, and what I really think about it. And then that way you'll get a good idea of what you're going to get when you pick up the system. So let's go ahead and let's get to it. Well, there you go, guys. It is installed. It works perfect. I love the way it looks. These things can adjust, move around. I can turn the screen vertical if I don't want it horizontal. I can do whatever I want here at this point, and it'll lock in. Keep these tools nearby, because you don't want to keep this real loose. You actually will end up locking it in and getting it right where you want it, and you try to leave it there. If you're going to move it, use your tools, adjust it, and move it where you need to move it. Now I'm fixing to move this desk to the other side of the room. set it up, and I'll put my chair up underneath it, see how I like it, and lock everything into place. So overall, guys, it's a heavy duty system, very well made, easy to install. I don't think you'll go wrong with this one if you're wanting a dual monitor setup, especially if you've got big monitors. This is fabulous. Now, keep in mind, you could do two of this size and move them down side by side, and it would work just as well. So if you are a video editor, a gamer, whatever it is that you do, if you're into the stock market and you have multiple screens and you're, watching that all day long, this is a fabulous system. I don't think you'll go wrong. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today, and we'll see you guys on the next review.